friends, it's me again. And I eat now. We say it in Afrikaans, stamp and stewart, mealies and boinkies, uh, maize and beans, something like that. Okay, so you know, that is tonight our food for the night, and it tastes very, very good, very, very good. Mensen, eet lekker. Als jullie hem nog niet eet, wie jullie niet. Ons eet hem nog steeds in die perel. Ik het groot geword met hem. Stamp en stoot. Hm. It tastes delicious. It tastes very, very delicious. And I love it. So, uh, you must follow me, man. And thank for all the other people who watch the videos for my eatings and so on. And I appreciate all the views. So, I'm busy now, and I saw you next time.